Alright, so today, this is going to be a real long project. We're going to be fixing an old Big Bear 350.
It's buried back here in the nasty part of our barn. And it's been here for 5 years. It's just sitting. We took it apart when we first got it from our cousin Goody. And we kind of broke it down, saw it needed a lot of stuff. Really didn't have the time to mess with it, and we just kind of pushed it back here, and it's been sitting here ever since. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull out all the parts, wash everything off, get this out, clean it off, and see if we can get it running. You know, these tires aren't that terrible considering.
Alright, so these are all the things like on the outside of it, I guess.
Tires and racks.
Tires, rack, fenders. We're going to be washing these off, and we're going to try, hopefully get the Big Bear running.
Can I borrow that piece of cardboard in there? I want to shoot it.
No.
Wait, I'm not. Why?
So, I'm going to go wash some stuff off, so see you then. I just got this front fender cleaned off. We're going to work on something else. My dad's pulling the frame out up here.
Real bad, bud.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. You can see.
Everything's just rusted and completely covered in grossness. Mice crap. All sorts of nasty stuff.
I think you'd be better off just pulling it.
Crazy. Alright, here she comes.
Are we gonna wait to clean it till we get the tires on it?
Wow, that thing is gross. It's a lot worse than I thought.
It doesn't look as bad on here. Like it's,
I gotta get it up on something to roll it around, clean it.
put it on the jack.
Maybe.
We can't put it on the tool thing. I don't want to break that.
It's too heavy. Alright, let's make some room. Oh, God.
It was just buried back right here in all this
Don't go back
gross
there.
stuff.
That's the Big Bear.
There it is.
It's not locked up.
No. It's still like, sorta, I guess, running.
Don't think it's gonna run
You don't think it's gonna run?
until we get everything hooked up, cleaned up.
We're probably not gonna get it running today.
0 chance. We gotta break this all down, dude. We gotta clean up and paint
It's
it.
gonna be like 10 videos. It's gonna be like 10 videos. It's gonna take like 10 weeks to do.
Maybe even more. Alright.
Yeah, this is gonna be a project. I'm gonna go start washing all the stuff. Alright, we got everything washed off. We're washing Big Bear, spraying everything out of it. Oh my god, that's gross.
You want to grab that, Pete?
What? That?
Yeah. Put it over here, buddy. On the shelf somewhere. Or on the tool bench somewhere. So little we're gonna lose it.
I'll put it right here. But washing everything off, getting everything sort of, kind of 1/4 of the way clean. So let's do this. Alright, so we do have everything up. We got the Big Bear up on the blocks. Got all the parts in here. They're kind of a mess. We got the tires down in here. Everything, like the side-by-side, four-wheelers, dirt bikes, everything, they're outside here, so I'll show you guys that. I have to take everything outside. We're probably going to put it back in here, but here's the Big Bear. Up on blocks. All the parts are in this pile here. Back in there underneath the fenders and everything. Tires. This big black one right there is the trailer tire, but that one, wait, that one, and that one are Big Bear tires. This thing is an absolute wreck. It looks so much worse in person than filming. On camera, I mean. It's so bad. Like, it doesn't look that bad on camera because you can barely see all the things, but if I zoom out, it looks more realistic. Look at this. This is what it looks like. It is absolutely destroyed. Discs here, destroyed. This is way worse than the Suzuki. This is just gonna be, it's gonna be the hardest build we've ever done. And we've done a lot off camera, so this one's gonna be real hard. But see you guys when something happens. What's up? We got everything in the barn here. Big Bear still sitting here. Pretty bad shape. But we're gonna get this thing running. Feature video, not today. It's gonna be a bunch of videos. We're doing a whole project here, so it's gonna be probably 10 to 15 videos, I'd say. So, see you guys next time we're working on it. Here's the plastics, side by side. Four-wheelers, my bike, Lachlan's bike, Suzuki, everything. So, we'll see you guys next video. And hopefully we can take some stuff off of this and start tearing stuff down and do all that stuff. So, yeah. See you guys in the next video. See ya.